Ladies and gentlemen, I am Ojazzy, the boy that blew the flute, Oja, in Ojapiano and Ojazzy. Keep streaming.
Before now, the Nigerian secular music world regulates within the Afro-hip and a touch of R&B until the introduction of Ojapiano. A groundbreaking genre that merges the uncontrollable beats of Amapiano with the enchanting melodies of the traditional Igbo flute called Oja. This fusion, named Ojapiano, is a testament to Kcee's the Limpopo crooner creativity and dedication to pushing the boundaries of music. Common to the Ojapiano experience is the Oja, a traditional flute played by the Igbo tribe of Nigeria, typically associated with ceremonies, funerals, and important gatherings of every Igbo event. The Oja adds a touch of history and tradition to the fusion of Amapiano and the Igbo flute. Before the discovery of the genre is a young teenager from Anambra State who finds happiness and fulfillment in playing Oja. Chigozie Okeke, popularly called Ojazzy Bonile, born in 2005, began playing Oja at age 10. The flutist narrates how he got the gift in his dream as a kid. Bought his first flute with the money gifted to him during a Christmas season. According to the young artist, his first melody enticed him, and so he began playing Oja in a nearby Catholic church. However, different opinions within the church community about him playing the Oja led him to leave, and subsequently join an Ogene group where he played for Wood Bunch and other groups. Collaborating with Arobunango Nwanriigwe Credo, Ojazzy accompanied him to various events. It was through this association that Nwanriigwe introduced him to Kcee. This introduction came about after a call from Nollywood actor Junior Pope, who informed Nwanriigwe that Kcee was in search of a skilled Oja flute player. Their meeting took place at Kcee's residence in Lagos, where he showcased his flute skill. Impressed by the performance, Kcee promised to unveil Ojazzy's talent to the world. He kept his word by featuring him in his viral track titled Ojapiano.
Why am I saying why I didn't want to be more? I'm made Oja. That's what I mean. I can't I'm my boom that the world must hear my story.
Until his emergence in the industry, Chigozie enjoyed playing Oja, and his dream came to fruition when he came in contact with Kcee. The little star came to limelight at age 18, June 2023, after he was seen featured in Kcee's Ojapiano track, and have since gained much popularity within the African space and even beyond. Ojazzy is about to join a good number of other African teens who found fame at early age if managed properly. Give us a thumbs up if you find this piece interesting, and let us know your thoughts on the young lad's early road to fame on the comment section below. If you're a first timer, do well to click on the subscription button, share and follow us on all our social media handles at Adamazi TV. This is Adamazi TV, your #1 online TV that connects all Africans to their root.
okwu ekwusi okwu onye isi wee fụba ụzọ a na-esili Igbo bongo